Hi, I'm Brent Guthrow, the chair of the Boat Build for Habitat Morden Winkler chapter.
And so you've been doing this the second year, you said?
Yeah, this is our second annual. It's been fun. First year we had 10 teams. This year we're at about nine teams.
Yeah. And how do you think, or how did fundraising kind of go last year and then kind of?
Yeah, so we increased fundraising this year. We're at about 3,500 with donations still coming in. But the biggest thing this year is we created a corporate division. So we have some teams from decor, from co-op, from 1-2 Tree Service. Did have a team, but they couldn't make it today, but they still donated, so that's lovely.
That's good to hear. And this is going towards the house you're building in Winkler.
Yeah. So the Morden Winkler chapter is currently on track to build 2 homes. One, we're hopeful to be able to break ground this late August, early September for the Winkler home. We're, I believe, about 30,000 just shy of being able to do that. And so this fundraiser today will go towards meeting that goal.
And some of these teams are repeats from last year. What does it mean to see repeat people and then the new teams as well?
Yeah, it's kind of inspiring. They obviously had a blast last year, and we would have had actually even more repeats, but it's a very busy weekend in our area, so they couldn't make it. So they've promised to come for next year. So we're hoping to have maybe even 20 teams next year. So that's the goal. So
that would be awesome, and then double the funds and get that much closer to building
absolutely.
that second house.
Yeah.